Welcome to Saving History. I'm SCdigger, and I wanted to take just a quick minute here to do a video on something that each and every one of you may be able to take advantage of and may not actually realize it, and that is reporting government bird bans. Now, this is something, it's a little piece of aluminum you may have dug and thrown into the trash bin, or perhaps just tossed it into the junk box, but there's actually a use for these, and you can get some recognition for reporting these as well. Here's a close-up of the tag. You can see it's made of aluminum. It reads, "Advise Fish and Wildlife Service, Wright, Washington, D.C., USA." And then there's the tag number for the tag. And simply what you do is you go to the website and you enter that number and other information about where it was found, when it was found, and so on. So if you've ever found one of these bans, all you've got to do is go to www.reportbanned.gov. www.reportbanned.gov, and you need to have information like where you found it, when you found it, of course the numbers on the band, and you enter all of that information into the website, and once you do that, it will give you a report back of exactly where the bird was banded, when the bird was banded, as well as what kind of bird was banded as well. And they're even going to send you a certificate that you can make a nice display out of to put into your relic room or for your relic collection for display. The bird band that I found, as you can see on the certificate here, was banded in Camden, South Carolina, which is exactly where we were. It was banded in 1967. Wow, 1967. It was a mallard duck, and on the certificate, as you can see, it says that it was too young to identify the gender. So basically, 40 years later, I found the band from a mallard duck that had been banded back in 1967. And of course, they sent me a certificate. I made a great display of it, and you can see it right here. So you can see it makes a great display for the relic room. So take a couple of minutes, get into those junk boxes, see if you've got any of these bird bands that you can report. It helps the government, the Fish and Wildlife Service, to track these animals, and hopefully it can help their populations in the future. So, for Saving History, I'm SCdigger.